make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. It's making my...
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle and today we're going to be talking about this unit, which is from Sunbur Hair Company. I'm going to leave, of course, their playlist up top, links and details to this particular wig, and the company is going to be down in the description box. Okay, so let's get into the quick details. So like I said, it's from Sunbur Hair Company. This is their curly texture, 18 inches, medium or average cap size. My thoughts on this unit. So number one, I put it in a half up, half down because I didn't feel like re-wetting the hair. So I was just like, put these clips up, put it up, and it's just gonna be a-okay. So that's what I did. I'm not gonna lie, I was being a little lazy. I don't want to do anything more than the bare minimum. Okay, so the curl pattern is very pretty. It's very light, lightweight. It's fluffy, but it's not too frizzy. I did finger comb it out. It can be more defined. Of course, if you use product, you can get it very defined. Like I mentioned, I just didn't want to re-wet it or put product in it, so it's more like a lazy, you're gonna get what you're gonna get. But I still think it's kind of cute. I still think it's cute. I would definitely still wear it. What else? The lace, I did have to pluck the lace, of course. I like the color of the lace. It was very easy to blend in with my skin tone. I did end up, of course, using my lace tint. That's just part of my routine at this point, but I could definitely get away with not using it. I like how the knots on the frontal are very small, which makes the overall look of the front look really, really nice. I'm not sure, there's really not much to say. This is a very convenient wig. It's very low maintenance. It's just a really safe wig to have in your stash. So yeah, that's about it, you guys. Just enjoy. I hope you do watching the rest of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You might as well just go ahead and do that right now. Just stop right here, just hit the subscribe button, okay, and like this video. I would greatly appreciate it. Join the lovelies over here, okay, and check out some more of my videos if you have time. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town.